Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to create a typography design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. Go to the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of artboard size. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Go to the Object menu, Lock, and Selection. Select the Type tool and type the text. Change its font to Gotham Black Italic. And case to upper. Adjust its leading. Select and rotate it. Change it to white color. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Right-click on it and choose Create Outline. Go to the Edit menu and copy. Then paste it in front. Apply the black color to it. Make a copy of it and place it here. Select both, go to the Object menu, Blend, and Make. Blend and Blending options. Set specified steps to 600. Right-click on it, Arrange, and send backward. Go to the Object menu and expand. Open the Pathfinder and click on the Unite button. Select the Line tool and draw it at the angle of this shadow. Hold the Alt button for a copy of it. Select the two anchor points using the Direct Selection tool. Press Ctrl+J to join them. Ctrl+J again to complete it. To save the extra time, I have already typed the detailed text. Select the text and the shape. Go to the Object menu, Envelope Distort, and make with the top object. Play with the anchor point using the Direct Selection tool to adjust it. Create a rectangle of artboard size. Select all, right-click and choose Make Clipping Mask. Create another rectangle of artboard size. Apply any color to it. Go to the Blending option and change it to Lighten. Play with colors. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.